There's a few splats out back. The sky's turning white, as we'd expect. Nothing so obvious now except for that one, really. Alchemical either way. I'll keep an eye out. Over this way. That's the Pennine roots. The marks on window, by the way, those black on the outside. And we're a bit high up, as you can probably tell by the rooftops, so I can't really do much about them. In fact, I can do bugger all about them. And with regard to that bit of frequency, I'm watching a plane with a contrail. It went right across the sky contrailing. When it got to this patch over here, I thought it was possibly a cloud dragon, but it's left a scar. So, all the same, it was a snot rocket. They were just planning where they were putting it, obviously. But I guess you can see where the sky changes. They've been spraying across the Pennines. That's all the Pennine route, and it drifts our way. People are oblivious to it anyway, so you know, I ask myself sometimes, why should I give a shit? I can see it. If they don't want to, that's their business. Sprayed like bugs. And stuff it, this camera needs a charge. See if we can get one clear shot on that one over the under. Okay, I can bloody see it on this display. What the hell? Anyway, better go and charge the bugger. And over in the distance on the Pennines, we've got a snot rocket just going across. It's underneath that lot approaching the top of the tree. And certainly sprayed back over this way. And never mind. And there's a Pennine snot rocket that's a bit closer. It's just underneath that white patch. My God, it's making it impossible to focus with all this white. Just nothing to focus on. It's there, but it just can't focus. And that yellow one there is the first of the snot rockets that I tried to catch on the Pennines. And it's United Airlines, United Airlines, November 2135 uniform, Boeing 777 from Heathrow to San Francisco. So it's that snot rocket. Move that bar down while I think on if I can. Can I? No. Oh, bollocks to it. Right, the other one that's just gone across, is Air Transat from Canada. That's an Airbus, registration Charlie Golf Tango Sierra Zulu. There we are. Snot rocket. And that one's over the other side. The Pennines run down here, roughly. Hang on, there they are. They're actually here, but what the hell. So that's going from Gatwick to Vancouver.